Hi, good morning, soldiers. Good morning, traders, and happy new year. Hope you guys had fun. This will be my first video for the year, 2025. 2024 was an amazing year, right? Yeah, because we really achieved a whole lot last year. We made so much money. We could flip accounts. We could, move $3 to $1,000 or more. So we did a whole lot of wonderful stuff last year, and since we can only get better, I believe that this year we do more than what we did last year. All right, this year we're making hundreds of thousands, right, dollars this year. Yeah, so I also want to appreciate you guys for the support, for always believing in me, my strategies, and the good comments, the likes, the shares, and watching my boring videos every time. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope we grow together. And this year, yeah, the main purpose for 2025 is to make sure that we grow together. All right, I'll make sure that I give you guys the best strategy, the best videos that will help your trading career. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to this channel before, please do so. Do so. Subscribe, share my video, share my link with your friends, send them to those big groups so that people will join and benefit from my contents. Okay, so now today I just dropped this, my first signal this year on Boom 1000. So I just dropped a signal on Boom 1000. We are in deep profits, about 20 something dollars each position with zero point 0.6 lot size, and we are eating really big. I've given it to the VIP, and I want to share with you guys what I did and how I could tell that markets will be selling from that very point down. And you can see our target. This where my target is. So this target now, we'll be making $80 with the smallest lot size. $80 with the smallest lot size, which is 0.2. All right, so you can see with 0.2, you can have $10 accounts, $15 accounts, and you decide to risk just that account, or probably $10 from that account to make $80, which is a good risk to reward ratio. So that's my target this year. This year, I want to see, if you check even my free Telegram, I've sent some messages this year. I want to see how we can use little amounts of money to make bigger amounts of money, to make big profits. Okay, big returns. So with the help of a good risk to reward ratio, we'll be able to stay profitable and consistently. Okay, so that's the purpose for 2025, and I'll make sure that I'll be having monthly call with you guys every month, probably every last Saturday or Sunday of the month. We have a call which I'll talk about how to be profitable, how to take my signals and other stuffs. And also, we don't longer it's not only synthetic indices that we'll be doing this year. We also do currency pace, or we send this in now currency pace. And also I've really worked on my strategy, and also my win rate has really increased over time. All right, so let me show you guys what I did. Please, if you've not liked or subscribed to this signal, to this group channel rather, just do so. Thank you. Okay, so my reason for this trade, you see, we are going against the spikes on Boom 1000, which is really, really hard to do. But I'll give you guys a secret. I'll tell you guys something you need to know. Now, if we move to 4 hours time frame, this is our 4 hours time frame. I love starting from daily or 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, we are in a downtrend. If you watch this video alone, I had so many testimonies last year where some people, they only watch my YouTube videos and they were making good profits, all right, from my YouTube videos. Someone even told me that he used my YouTube video to create a trading robot, and the robot has been paying off. Like, he has been making so much money with the robot. So now the first thing you need to know, what's the market structure, what's the market direction, what is the trend of the markets. Now those things sounds like they are the same thing. We do the same thing, but they are not. Now, when you say what's the market structure is trying to know what structure the market is showing, like the market movements, right. So now you can see we have market going up to this point and back to this point, created a new low that is lower than this very low. This is the low, all right, that is lower than this previous low. That is a structure, a bearish structure. The market went up, it did not get to this point or above this point. It stopped somewhere here and went down below this previous structure again. This way stopped, which is below this previous structure. So if I put this trend line here like this, you can see that the trend line is descending. So now what's the structure? The structure is moving downward, creating the structures, the waves downward. So now that's the structure. Then when we're talking about the market direction is, okay, let's say trend. Let's talk about the trend. You can see obviously we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. Look at that. We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend, bro. So we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend and the structure is about to go down, right? It's a bearish structure as well. Now, when we talk about the market direction is like, when you say we are in a downtrend, all right, or we have a bearish structure, the market is doing something like this. Something like this. Now, the market's direction is when the market gets to this point and it started changing direction, started looking as if it's going down. That's the direction. It's now going down. This is the direction. So even if we have a bearish structure, you cannot go and sell when the market is going up like this. We have a bearish structure. You cannot go and sell when the market is actually the market is going up like this. You can only sell when it's about to go down. It's giving us a clear direction that is going down to this level. So that's the market direction. It's giving you the direction that, okay, as it's selling from that point, this level here, from this peak, is going to this other direction. So this is a clear market direction. So those are three things you need to put into consideration before taking a trade. So now I've done that already. You can see here, we have shown you guys the structure, the market structure, and also it's a downtrend. Now, this is the market direction. It's giving us this direction that it's going down to this point. All right. So now we've gotten those three things, key important things that you must do or know before taking a trade. All right. So now it makes it very simple. The next thing you should be looking for will be our entry points, and what will trigger the entry, what will make us jump into the market and take a trade. Now, our entry points, we want to see levels where market has been reversing over time. I keep saying this, where market has been reversing over time. Now, if we bring the trend line, we place our trend line like this, you see that markets has been reversing at least 3 times here. We had the first reverse, the second, and the third one here. Now, which means that this level is a strong level. Okay, let's say we had first and second. This is a strong level. Now again, if I use my horizontal line, okay, let's bring my horizontal line down, looking for where market has been reversing before. If I place it somewhere here, all right, or somewhere here, we are looking for where market has been reversing before. I think somewhere there. So we place it there. Let's go back to the left. You can see that market has been reversing around those levels. Sorry, let me increase this light. Yeah, market has been reversing around those key levels. That level that I just placed, like here. All right. We're having reversal around this line, on this line. Okay, you can see that again. So now, which means we both the horizontal line and the trend line as shown, we've seen obviously that market has been respecting that level. Okay, so that makes it a high probability setup, all right. So the next thing we need to do will be going down to 1 hour time frame to see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we want to make sure that as market was going up to this point. This video has almost everything you need to know. As it was going up to this point, this level, you cannot just start selling it without seeing market losing momentum, all right? Because you use that momentum to know the pressure in the market. Now, take a look at this level. You see the strong bullish engulfing candlestick market printed when it started moving, right? This shows that the pressure was really high. At some point, market was going really strong. Around this level now, we started seeing sellers jumping into the market, started struggling to sell, where you see that red candlestick. And around this level now, market started losing momentum by giving us a rejection, a very strong rejection, and the market closed bearish. This candlestick, this very candlestick, closed bearish. This is gravestone doji. Is a gravestone doji. It's a very high probability setup candlestick. That's one of my ideal setups. Candlesticks. Okay, so having this kind of candlestick shows that the sellers won this battle around this level. Now the market is losing momentum. Even if you go on the 30 or 15 minutes time frame, you see that market is losing momentum. All right, so that's another confirmation right there. Okay, now take a look at this place again. You see, when market wanted to reverse from here back to this point, what happened? We had a similar candlestick, this very candlestick here. We had a similar candlestick with a rejection and closed without any wick above. What happened next? We had a massive push to the upside. So we believe that this is the same thing that will happen, because in price action is just about reading what has happened before the market charts data, reading the market data, take note of things that has been happening, its behaviors, and also take a look at what is happening now to determine what will happen in the future, right? So that's price action for you. It's nothing big. So when someone comes to you and tell you he trades smart money, he trades this one, he's a retail trader, we are all doing the same thing. So when you come to me and ask me, what do you trade? I tell you price action. You think I'm talking about retail strategy. Retail strategy is a strategy under price action trading system. Do you understand? So that's it. So now, after you've seen this, right? And what happened? Market went up. Now we have this same thing again. What will happen? Market will go down. It's likely to go down. It's a high probability that it will go down. With a that sell downtrend confirmation, it should be going down. So you can see now what I just explained now, as simple as that. Now, what was my entry? Seeing this long candlestick alone, I don't even need to go down to a lower time frame. Seeing this long rejection alone, I don't even need to go down to any lower time frame to take a trade. I gave the signal with this confirmation, as simple as that. I've given you everything that I did in this trade. If you keep on practicing this, you'll be profitable. Let me tell you, you don't have to trade everything you see, every strategy, every trading system. All you need is one catalyst. One catalyst. With one catalyst, you'll be successful. You don't even need to keep jumping from one strategy to another. Get one strategy. You must not trade every day. If you don't trade today, you trade tomorrow. The main thing is for you to look for that your setup and take your setup and make profits. If you trade once in a week, a successful trader needs just one good trade in a week to be successful, to be profitable, right? So that's it, guys. As simple as that. I'm giving the signal to my people, and this is our first signal for the year, and we're expecting to make $80 with the smallest lot size, with 0.2, expecting to make $80. You see, with good risk to reward ratio, we can be successful. Yeah, definitely. All right, so I'll take that again. I just hope I have enough space. So only thing you can do for me is just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments, because I come out here, give you guys the top secrets, something that those big guys that you are following, those big guys you're following, those big guys with Lambo, Rolls Royce and all, they cannot give you this. Trust me. In fact, let me give you the fact. If you go and enroll, join the academy, you will never learn what even this YouTube video alone, this very video alone gives you everything you need. Those ones don't even have time. I'm not trying to condemn anybody, but they don't have time to teach you. It will be hard for you to see them. It will be someone else that they've thought, or one of their best students, they will tell them to be teaching you guys. So if you go to the academy, you see someone that's been with them for like few months teaching you. It's not them that is teaching you. So but you people prefer to go there, like, subscribe, and believe they're giving you the best. I'm not saying they're not giving you the best, but the knowledge you're gaining from here is far better than what you'll be getting from there. All right, so Let me take it again. 4 hours time frame, no need to go to the daily. On the 4 hours time frame, we have a trend, a clear trend. That's we are in a downtrend, right? We are in a downtrend, and market has been reversing on this trend. Every time market touches this line, it rejects and goes down. All right. Then we have a market structure that tells us that we are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend. We have a market structure. Low, okay, higher high. The market broke the previous higher low and give us a lower low. Then once we have something like that, that we should perceive a downtrend coming. So after that, market went up again to create a lower high. After that, gave us a lower low. Then if as it's going up, we are expecting a lower high again for market to come down and create more lows, right? So that's it for the market structure and the market direction. For the market direction, yeah, we see that market has been going down. Now it's going down this time. We need to follow the direction and make money without any stress. Good. Now, and again, on the 1 hour time frame, you've seen the candlestick, this candlestick here. All right, we know that market will be selling because we had the similar candlestick on the 1 hour. We had a similar candlestick on this low. The market started going really, market went up really strong. So seeing the same candlestick here, we know the market will be selling really strong as well. So here, that's how to make money trading. My strategy is very simple. I have just a few strategies, right, that I've been using for trading. I'll encourage you guys to join the academy. It's for your own good. Join the academy. If you want to change your life, 2025, I don't expect you guys to be waiting for fisherman to return to give you a piece of fish. Instead of you to learn how to do your fishing yourself, I want everybody to know how to fish rather, to learn, to know how to analyze the market as a pro and make money. It's very simple. It's very simple. What makes us stay looks as if trading is not profitable is because we are greedy. It's greed that makes us stay broke for a long time in this market. It's greed. If you want to imagine this with 0.2, the lowest lot size, we're about to make $80. You know what it means? Even if you make the $80 in 2 days, it's worth it. Then the next day you start again. Before you know it, at some points you increase from 0.2 to 0.5 or from 0.2 to one lot size. It's a gradual process. You don't expect to make all the profits in one day. All right. You don't expect to make all the profits in one day. So I've realized that what makes us have this emotion when taking a trade, the fear and all this stuff, is because we risk way too much than we should. All right. We over leverage our trading account. So if we want to be successful, I'll advise you join the academy. Check the description of this video. Chat me up. Join the academy. You can join the VIP channel for signals, lifetime signals to use it to grow your account. All right. Join the academy. I'll show you everything you need to know, all my strategy, my secrets, top secrets, and how to make it profitable. And before we end the year, you'll be successful with a bigger dollar bag. All right. So that's it. The message is right here. Show some love, smash the like button, subscribe. The message is here. Bye-bye.